Hello students and the viewers. Today our topic is past passive modal. In the previous class we already completed passive modals, but present passive modals, but now it is past passive modals. So first of all we have to understand the rules of past active rules. First of all we should understand the past active rules. Thereafter we will convert we can convert into passive. See, the rule, past passive rule is rules for active. Active rule is subject plus past modals. Past modals are who are the past modals? Your past modals are could, would, may also we can use as past modal, might we can use as past modal, must also we can use. So many modals are there that we can use as past modals. Commonly used modals are would, could, should. Now see, the subject plus past modals plus have plus MB3 plus object. So would have, could have, should have plus MB3, third form of the main verb. I could have done this work. Okay, you could have gone to the institute, you could have gone to school yesterday. In this way, the possibilities were there in the past time that work didn't happen. You didn't do the work, but you could do. आप कर सकते थे लेकिन आपने नहीं किया. In that situation, you try to understand the platform, the situation first. Suppose you are doing a job and you could not finish your work in time. The boss can ask you, why didn't you do the work? You could have done it. You could have done it. तो बॉस बता रहे हैं कि आप ये काम कर सकते थे. You could have done it. That is active sentence. अगर वो पैसिव में बोले तब भी वो दैट ही और शी कैन टेल इट कुड हैव बीन डन, द वर्क कुड हैव बीन डन इन टाइम. ये वर्क सही समय पे किया जा सकता था, देन इट इज पैसिव. यू कुड हैव डन द वर्क इन टाइम, नाउ इट इज एक्टिव. आप ये काम सही समय पे कर सकते थे. यू इट वुड हैव बीन, इट मतलब वर्क, इट वुड हैव बीन या कुड हैव बीन. कुड हैव बीन इज एप्लीकेबल, मोर एप्लीकेबल हियर बिकॉज द बॉस इज giving importance to you. You could have done this work and this work could have been done by you. So that is passive. Now see the rules. Here it is subject plus past modals plus have plus MB3. That is your, in this sentence would and could, these two past modals are used. I could have learnt or I would have learnt. मैं learn कर सकता था या क्या गया होता. I would have learnt इंग्लिश. मैं इंग्लिश पहले लर्न कर सकता था. ओके, कर लिया होता. तो फिर क्वेश्चन कम्स, फिर किया क्यों नहीं? दैट्स व्हाई नो, द कंडीशन इज देयर. इफ आई हैड अंडरस्टूड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस. इफ आई हैड अंडरस्टूड के बदले में हम हैड, नाउ दैट इज इन एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश वी स्टार्ट विथ हैड. इफ आई हैड लर्न, इफ आई हैड के बदले में आप सिंपली हैड से आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. हैड आई अंडरस्टूड, या इट इज द सबस्टिट्यूट ऑफ द कंडीशनल क्लॉज इफ. इफ के सबस्टिट्यूट में हम क्या करते हैं? हैड, द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड, ये कंडीशनल में यूज कर लेते हैं. हैड आई अंडरस्टूड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस. अगर मैं इसका इंपॉर्टेंस मैं समझ जाता तो मैं जरूर इंग्लिश पहले लर्न कर सकता था और लर्न कर लिया होता. सो इन दिस वे यू, दिस इज द एक्टिव सेंटेंस. दिस इज एक्टिव सेंटेंस. I would have या could have learnt English earlier if I had understood its importance. अगर मुझे इसके importance समझ में आ चुका होता तो मैं जरूर लर्न कर सकता था या कर लिया होता. नाउ पैसिव में कैसे करोगे आप देखो. इन पैसिव यू आर यूजिंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज ये ऑब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश. आई कुड हैव और वुड हैव लर्न व्हाट. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पुट करो व्हाट, तो इसका जवाब है इंग्लिश. नाउ यू आर यूजिंग इंग्लिश वुड और could. इंग्लिश would have been learnt या could have been learned. क्या इंग्लिश को लर्न किया जा सकता था? could have been learnt earlier, पहले. had I understood its importance. अगर मुझे इसका इम्पोर्टेंस समझ में आ गया होता या आ सकता था, आ गया होता. सो नाउ इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म क्या होता है? ये जो had है, ये पार्ट को आप, had पार्ट को आप पहले यूज कर सकते हो. Had I understood its importance. If I ask you why didn't you learn English earlier, you could have done it and you could have got a good job. Why didn't you learn English earlier? Now you are struggling to learn English. Okay, now time already passed away and you lost time, you missed time. So you could have done it earlier. Now you realized, now you are telling, had I understood its importance, अगर मैं इसका importance समझ जाता पहले, English would have और could have been learned. English को importance दे रहा हूँ. I could have learned English के बदले में English could have been learned. You are giving importance to your object, English. ये object है. Yes, English को आप यहाँ पे English could have been या English would have been is added here. You see, passive में क्या होता है? Been add हो जाता है. English would have been learned earlier. अगर इस part को पहले लगा सकते हो, English could have been learned earlier had I understood its importance. अगर मैं इसके importance को समझ जा चुका होता तो definitely I could have learned English. In this situation को track करो. You have to find out the situations. What mostly your people, those who are organizing the institutions or they are the administrators, very often they use the passive voice. Reason is what? And modals also, past modals, because they simply observe the work that the workers, the employers, they did it or not. If not, then definitely they ask the questions. Why didn't you do this? You could have done it. You should have done it. This work could have been done in time, but you neglected. You didn't do. So that's why it is important to understand the active sentence for some practice exercises that you can do. Better to have some practice exercises of passive modals. So this passive we are having not only would and could, but also we have other past modals like may, might, must. Okay, so all these modals we can convert into passive. Okay, let us see in another class. I will let you know we can have the practice exercises of modals also.